You don't need to wait until you are monetized on YouTube before you'll be able to make money from your YouTube channel. Just like what everybody knows, for you to be able to make money on YouTube, you have to be monetized, and for you to be monetized, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, you guys, this is my small channel that I started a few weeks ago, and trust me, you guys, I have already made $500 from this channel. This channel is not even monetized at all. You can see that this channel barely has 32 subscribers, and I don't even have up to 50 watch time hours on this channel, but yet I have made up to $500 from this channel. I'm going to be showing you everything and showing you how you can actually, make money from your own YouTube channel, whether you are an existing YouTuber or maybe you are a beginner YouTuber, how you can position yourself so that your small channel can start making money even before monetization, because monetization is just part of one ways to make money from the multiple ways to make money on YouTube. So before I go ahead, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because on here I teach you how to make money on YouTube, how to grow your YouTube channel, and how to start well as a beginner YouTuber. If you like content around that, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Do not forget to like this video if it helped you, and let me know the next video you want me to do for you in the comment section. Now, basically, what we already know is for you to be able to make money on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. This is the old basic way to actually make money on the YouTube space. But then again, there are other multiple ways that you need to know when it comes to making money on the YouTube space. And these other multiple ways, why I love it is you don't have to wait until you have 1,000 subscribers or until you have 4,000 hours of watch time, right? And this is one of the ways that I use to actually make money from my own small YouTube channel, right? And I'm going to be sharing with you. But then again, there are other ways that people make money on YouTube, or aside from the strategy or from the one I'm going to be sharing with you. And one of those ways is affiliate marketing. They advertise other people's products and get commission from it, right? Number two is brand deals. Brand reach out to them, they talk about their product on their brand, on their page or on their YouTube channel, and then they get paid for it. But basically, most of these two particular source, you have to have a lot of subscribers that are engaging in your content for you to actually make good amount of money. Because with affiliate marketing, it is the number of clicks of people that reach out to buy the product that is going to turn into your commission, or that is going to make your commission to be high, right? So if you don't have a lot of people watching your videos or even interested in the product to go and buy the product, you will not have commission. Also, with brand deals, you need to have a lot of subscribers with high engagement for brands to reach out to you, because of course they want a lot of people to see the product that they have. So they want a situation where you would have a very good channel that is already having high traffic and high subscriber count. So either of these may not be making sense to you, because of course you are a small YouTuber just like myself, and you don't want to wait until you have those million subscribers before you start making money on YouTube. Now, another way to make money on YouTube without getting monetized is selling of products, which is one I actually really use to make money on YouTube. Now, I have a business that I run aside YouTube. I am an entrepreneur and I have multiple businesses that I run, and on here in that particular channel, I just started the channel recently, not up to 2 weeks. I started that channel and I talk about the product that I sell on that channel. I give tutorials on the product. I show people how to use the product without showing my face, right? I show people how to use the product and everything, and then people started reaching out to me to get the products. And in a space of 1 month, I have already made $500 on that particular YouTube channel. This is actually possible, you guys. You can do it, and anybody can do it. And what I love about this particular type of making money on YouTube without monetization is the fact that YouTube does not stop you from making money on YouTube without getting monetized, right? It's in fact one of the ways that a lot of people are using to make money off of their channel. So before you get to the point where you monetize and start making money from your Adsense account, you are already making money on the space, right? And this is something that I advise everyone to do. If you have a product that you sell, right, it can be physical product, it can be digital product, while some people also sell courses, right? If you have course that you want to sell, if you have physical product that you know you can really deliver, because mine was a physical product, right? Mine was a physical product and I deliver it everywhere, nationwide, worldwide, right? And people that have bought this product from me are not even in my country, right? They are people from other countries and I deliver to them, right? Now you want to make sure that before you go into this kind of making money process on the YouTube space, you want to make sure that you have a solid product that people want, right? And then number two is to create a channel, a brand new channel, not the channel that you've been using before or the channel that you have before. If you are an OG YouTuber, right, you want to make sure that you create a brand new channel and start talking about this particular product. It can be your business, right? It can be a business that you are doing. You don't have to do something that is physical, right? It can be a business that you are doing, it can be digital, it can be physical, right? And it can be your service, right? You can also sell your service. Just talk about it, how it's useful to people, how it's going to help them, what they are going to benefit from it, because of course everybody wants something that they are going to definitely benefit from. So you want to make sure that you are talking about the product benefit to them, right? How the product is good for them, how the product is going to benefit them, what they stand to gain from the product, right? Now after this is done, the next thing you want to do is to create videos around these products, right? And help them understand how this product works, right? When you help them and understand how this product works, right, they are definitely going to reach out and want to buy. Now another thing you need to consider when you are doing this is to make sure that you are going for product that people actually want, not something that people are not actually asking for the demand. You want to go for something that has high demand worldwide. This is how you get people to purchase from you very, very fast from anywhere around the world. So look for a universal product that a lot of people are looking for, that is important to human kind or human nature, right? And you are going to sell out fast, because if you don't look for products that are actually making wave in the market or that are actually doing very well in the market, people may not reach out, people may not want it, especially if it's something that maybe they can find where they are, they may not actually reach out, right? So that is another killer thing that you need to consider when it comes to selling products or making money on YouTube prior to when you are monetizing your YouTube account. Now with all of these things that I've said, if you enjoyed this video or if you have any questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. If you are here to subscribe to the channel, kindly do so by hitting the bell button that says subscribe, because on here I teach you every strategy that you need to know when it comes to making money, starting your YouTube channel, and growing it on a more long-term basis. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like this video and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.